Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can enhance your image color with help of the curve tool in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get started. First I will open my Photoshop. So here you can see here is my one image which is I created in Blender, and I want to color correction this image. So you need to do only two steps, you get the final output. So first you have to click this little icon, and here you have to add the curve, and after that you will get the curve properties. And after that, what you have to do, you have to hover your mouse onto the auto with the alt key and just click it, and after that you will get the one new dialog box, and here is 3 and 4 options. You just change it and find which one is looking good, and you get the result. So I like this, I just click OK, and that's it guys. If you learn something in this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.